2025 race for last position starts in 3, 2, 1. Crab out front, horse coming out front with a pufferfish, clownfish, penguin, crab, frogs taking the other way, sheep, duck, shark, cow, jellyfish, chicken, pigs back here swirling, whales back here swirling. The whale's still stuck. But he's trying. He's trying his best.
Let's go, cow. No! No!
Whale struggling over here. He gets kicked out. Here comes the lamb. Oh, it could come out this side. Oh no, it came out. Oh, there's the lamb. Oh, lamb.
Chicken! Can someone else net? I can't move.
Chicken, jellyfish, cow. Oh, the lamb gets first. Chicken. Oh, cow, jellyfish. Here's a frog. He's stuck. Whale flopping around out here. Makes it through. Whale's making his way downtown. Is he gonna get stuck right there? I think he's stuck right there, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the pufferfish is just stuck. Poke, that wasn't a good poke. There we go. There's his one poke. He's gonna see if he makes it or not.
Pufferfish is just doing circles. You got the pufferfish and frogs struggling. The pufferfish has been going circles for like a minute. The frog! He's broken free, he's loose!
He's loose!
We need the frog to bump the pufferfish.
Oh, will it happen? Oh!
Oh shit, the frog! Make sure we get the frog on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, God, you see the whale?
You better get back down to your angle, Ben. There's still more things to come.
I think we got it this time.
Okay.
Frog's coming. Oh, wait, no, the duck's right here. Oh, it just got stuck with the frog, dude.
Oh, it's the frog.
Look at that right here.
I know.
Oh, there they are. Oh, wait, put those back in. I'm allowing frog and duck before shark here. Clownfish.
I think shark beats both of them, right?
Clownfish, then pig. Pig
Pig
stuck. Clownfish. I mean, no, that's pufferfish. Pufferfish is ahead of the pig.
A minute into the race.
Clownfish in front of crab. Crab in front of whale.